My messages aren't getting delivered. Help! What can you do? Your best option is to register your brand on your account's free 10-digit long code, 10DLC, if you haven't already. You'll enjoy two primary benefits if you register your brand. 1. The best message delivery. A majority of message delivery issues are simply caused because of unregistered messages being sent. 2. Better messaging speeds. Registering your brand can allow your messages to get sent out twice as quickly, or more. If you're on our 2,000 messages month plan or higher, brand registration is totally free. For the 500 or 1,000 messages month plans, it is free to register your brand for better message delivery, and if you also want faster messaging speeds, the cost is $15 per month. To register your brand, click the Please Complete Brand Registration link on the top of your dashboard. Once you fill out the provided form, it takes 1 to 5 business days for your registration to process.